Tayo po ay nasa Shaw Boulevard para sa araw na ito, nasa Gatorade Hoop Center. Tawag ko rito, bahay ni Chiqui Reyes. Sa dahilang madalas si Chiqui Reyes dito sa bahay na ito. At sa hapong ito, nandito si Chiqui para sa importanteng laro na ito ng judiciary at ng aalog-alog na executives. Pinagbibihis ako nitong Joel Villanueva.
Kulang daw?
Oo, si Testa Director sa kanya, bihis na. Sabi ko, si Chiqui sana pagbihisin niyo. Ngayon, kahit sino-sino pinagbibihis ngayon.
May dala akong gamit sa auto.
Pero at least, ikaw lagi kang ready. Si Paul Yamamoto nandiyan, at least nandiyan siya last time around, kulang sila.
Yes, that's right. At yung huling laro nga ni Lieutenant Commander Yamamoto, 44 ginawa. Together with the 27 points of Mr. Mark Lapid. So yan ang titingnan dito sa mga nakaitim at dilaw na executive. Sa kabilang kampo naman, yung kombinasyon ng Uno Onsem. Talking about Midas Marquez and Joey Yabut. Still the top two for the judiciary. But more than that, mga kaibigan, ito po ay nag-mimisto lang parang knockout na. No?
Bakit?
Kung manalo dito ang judiciary, well, sila na ng legislative ang magtatapat sa championship. However, kung makaisa po dito ang executives, meron pa silang pag-asa provided matalo sa Thursday ang judiciary laban sa kanilang final elimination game kontra legislative. So, in 40 minutes, we'll find out magkaka-shootout ba para sa last slot sa finals o naghihintay na ba ang legislative para sa makakalabang inaasahan ng karamihan na judiciary.
Itong facility, kwento lang natin ito.
That's right.
Alam ko madalas ang NBA Philippines
Yes.
dito, madalas sila dito nagkaka-event. Alam ko yung huli si coach, yung coach ng NBA niya, si Avery Johnson.
That's right,
dito,
the little general was here.
Yung anak kong nagsusulat sa slam, nandito sila nun. Tinatanong nga sa akin, paano ba pumunta sa Gatorade? Sabi ko, alam ko, sa may Pure Gold yan.
That's right.
Madaling baba ng jeep, taxi. Maraming sasakyan dumadaan dito.
Ay, oho, napakaganda ng court na ito, Gatorade Hoop Center. Pagdating mo dito, gaganahan ka eh.
Mukha nga eh. Mukhang madaling. Hindi naman akong kagalingan. Pero parang masarap sumut.
Hindi lang po yun. Yung flooring talaga niya, Sev, gawa sa magandang klase. Talagang kahit medyo upod na yung sapatos mo, pag nilaro mo dito, iingay pa rin.
Okay. Hayaan natin ang larong ito. Ang siyang magingay ang executives laban sa judiciary. Mamang Pogi, pakilala ang ating mga player. Nandiyan sa baba.
Welcome back here at the Gatorade Hoop Center for the final second round in today's main game between Team Executive and Team Judiciary in the UNTV Cups Clash of the 3 off-season games. Here are the protagonists. Let's give it up first for Team Executive. Number 3, Joel Villanueva. Number 7, Paul Yamamoto. Number 8, Victor Bayani. Number 21, Michael Aguinaldo. Number 42, Ernest Ramel. And number 99, Eugene Cao. Their head coach is Boise Samar. Assistant coaches are Jenkins Messina, Eileen Debornio, Bong Ramos, and Marvin Carion. Make some noise now for Team Judiciary. Number 1, Midas Marquez. Number 3, Jacob Montesa. Number 10, Raul Villanueva. Number 11, Joey Yabut. Number 12, Christian Castaneda. Number 14, Gerard Toma Cruz. Number 17, Eduardo Solangon. Number 21, Edelbert Dempson. Number 22, Edwin Sorohon. Number 26, Richard Evangelista. And number 77, Normandy Pesaro. Their head coach is Ariel Capus. Assistant coach is attorney Georgie Villanueva. Both teams please meet at center court for the traditional sportsmanship handshake. Let's first call out the starters of Team Executives. At guard number 3, Joel Villanueva. The other guard number 8, Victor Bayani. At center number 42, Ernest Ramel. At forward number 21, Michael Aguinaldo. In the other forward number 7, Paul Yamamoto. Check out now the starters of Team Judiciary. At guard number 1, Midas Marquez. The other guard, number 12, Christian Castañeda. And center, number 21, Edelbert Dempson. And forward, number 3, Jed Montesa. And the other forward, number 11, Joey Yabut. Officiating this ball game are Ariel Bermeo, Eddie Visda, and Rebel Cañalas. This is UNTV Cup's Clash of the 3 off-season games. Ito ang bagong game ko.
Ang ating lead referee ay kagagaling lang sa Asian Games.
Aba?
Nagyayamang siya sa akin kanina. Sabi ko, wala ka rin kumpay, ha?
Tour of duty.
Tour of duty naman. At,
Yan, nakakatawa naman.
yan at alam mo na, maraming kwento nangyayari dyan. Huwag natin umpisahan yung kwento ng Asian Games.
Pero may kwento ako, Seb. Yung
Ano?
first round, nung dalawang naglalaban ngayon, it was a 17-point loss for the executives. But take note, this guy here, Lieutenant Commander Paul Yamamoto, hindi naglaro nun.
Malaking bagay yan.
Oo. So yung 28 ni Mr. Mark Lapid, tinulungan siya ni Major General Virgilio Hernandez with 16. But the production of Mr. Yamamoto, kung naglaro siya nun, malamang dikit ang ating laro.
Ito, ang dapat itong maliit ang title nitong liga nating Clash of
Ano
the Three.
dapat ba?
Dapat itong Clash of the Bossings. Kasi puro boss eh. Lahat dito, lahat sila may mga, hindi talaga, hindi ako nagbibiro.
Oh yes.
Bossing yung karamihan nila. Ito may pulot akong kwento. Number 12 ng kabila ng judiciary. Yan, may dala ng bola. Yan, sumaksak. Si Judge Castañeda.
Wala siya nung last game, ano?
Sabi ko sa kanya, napakabata niya para sa position. Hindi niya, sir, 40 na ako eh. Sabi niya, may mas bata ako sa kanya sa 38. So, pwedeng mas bata pa pala. Mukha nga siya talagang ano eh. Mukha siya college student talaga eh.
Pag tinan mo yung katawan, fit na fit.
Oo nga. Ayan pala yung laro eh. In the meantime, the ball game is off to a 2-0 start. The executives with the first 2 points of the game.
Again, it's a must-win here for the executives if they want to have a chance for a crack at that championship game na mangyayari, if I'm not mistaken, next week. Pero regardless of that, ang balita ko, meron pa rin tayong 3-point shootout for that 100,000 peso prize na pwede mong i-donate sa, again, chosen na benefactor. So, bukod pa yun, Seb, sa ating championship game.
Okay. Here's Midas Marquez. Midas thought about it. No. Montesa getting to be a regular starter for the judiciary and scores.
Again, yung kanilang, although it's a 12-point loss to Team Media, yung kumpiyansa ng judiciary umangat sapagkat pretty much 90% of that game, they were close dito sa ating Team Media. Ooh! Michael Aguinaldo, malabuldoser ang kanyang ginawa.
Sino sinagasa si Dimson?
Oo.
Aguinaldo, who is always well-dressed for the event. Take free throws. Kompleto eh. Wristband, protective glasses. Oh!
He's got game. May shooting.
Ano sabi niya? Ay, ito yung sagasa. Bang!
If you have that body, gamitin.
Ako, yan na lang natitira sa akin ngayon. Pag sa covered court siya na ginagamit sa atin na yun.
Nakita ko na. Seb, na ginamit mo yan sa isang liga natin.
Tumalsik yung gawawa naman yung tumalsik. Nag-sorry talaga ako katapos. In the meantime, Midas! Ooh, it rattles out. And the rebound controlled by Ramel. And the foul given up by Montesa of Villanueva was off to a fiery run and break to the basket.
They need that outside shooting of Midas and the perimeter shooting of Mr. Yabut.
Set shot by Yamamoto, up and out. And downstairs, a Ramel foul. That was a little unnecessary, actually, because Yamamoto had already had position.
Slow start to 7, unlike the other game that we covered wherein pokpokan agad in the early going.
Medyo nagko-conserve ng energy yung dalawa. In the meantime, Dimson is clobbered by Ramel, and there's a corner shot by Montesa. Does not bite. Here's Joel Villanueva. Bounce to Yamamoto, who's up and gone. He's so hard to... I like what the idea of Castañeda. He was trying to do a ball stop, but that's hard to do against Yamamoto.
Great body control, great ball control. Medyo naalog na mo si Lieutenant Commander Yamamoto, but then again, he was able to gather, maintain the balance, and straight throw.
As Yamamoto revealed to us his tour of duty recently, was to be with the president in Europe.
Oh.
He was on that journey to Germany, Brussels, and Paris. In the meantime, close in talaga security to si Yamamoto kay Presidente. Parang kakad-pogi.
Ganda lalaki.
Oh, sama mo yan eh.
Husay maglaro. Nakalaro ko na yan sa ibang liga.
Talaga?
Oo.
May liga bang hindi ka kasali? Matanong ko lang.
Meron pa naman. Meron pa naman.
May nagyayase. Si Alvarez na nagyayase ng isang araw. Si Congressman Alvarez.
Oh, yes. Meron kami itong January.
Mabuti.
Keeping in shape lang. Itong mga manlalaro na, it's nice to know that in spite of their busy schedule, sabi mo nga si Lieutenant Commander Yamamoto, biruin mo, sinamahan na yung presidente, pero may oras maglaro ng basketball.
Villanueva, the tested director, lost control. Midas Marquez pushing hard. Midas Marquez all the way, no angle. Rebound contested. Yabut!
Yan naman ang bentahe dito si Joey Yabut, lurking around at the basket, not giving up. Alam niya all the way to si Mr. Midas, but he was there to get the offensive rebound.
Judiciary's up slightly, 6-5, 5:43 remaining in this opening quarter. Major General Bayani. Ano, sir ang tawag ko dyan. Nakakatsawan ako, huwag ko daw siyang tawagin siya. Mas matanda daw ako. Pero sir ka pa rin.
Lahat sila, sir.
Oh, lahat sila. Kaya nga, Clash of the Bossings dapat ang title nito eh. Villanueva, 3! Uy, umikot palabas.
Alam mo siguro, kumakapa din sila dito sa napakagandang Gatorade Hoop Center.
Naman. Sanay tayo doon sa Inares Center eh, no?
Home court na nila yun eh.
Trouble.
Good intention, but great defense coming from Villanueva. Midas Marquez na ilang doon.
Ang PBA teams na nagpa-practice, tansya ko Alaska dito.
Yes, that's right.
Meron ba ba?
Alam ko ang Alaska pa lang ang madalas mag-inside dito sapagkat meron silang locker room na
so
kanila lang.
nakagraduate na sila sa Reyes Gym.
Yes, dito na sila. And they had a tune-up game recently.
Kasi doon sa amin, sa may bahay namin, doon sa Ronic Center.
Ronak
Center. Sunmid Coffee naman ang aking kapitbahay.
Oh yes, maganda rin court yan.
Pag wala akong ginagawa, may bisita ko si Coach Steve Condon at pinapakinggan kong nag-iingay siya doon.
Akala ko yung burger joint siya namin.
Kasali yun. Charlie's, ubus yun. Chili fries, ubus yun.
Ito, sigurado gutom itong mga mamaya because
exactly.
It's a close game.
Samantala, 4:33. At saka ito gusto ng NBA kasi NBA standard dito eh. No?
Yes.
Pero sa si Jolly, nag-nostalgia ng Amerika kanina eh.
Akala niya nasa ibang bansa siya.
Nasa American high school siya. That will not work.
1 against 3 for Paul Yamamoto. Medyo over-eager.
Saka medyo nanggigigil both sides ha.
Because they know what's at stake sa larong ito. I interviewed both teams and alam nila yung kanilang kinalalagyan.
Everybody missing here. Villanueva speeding, trying to buy a layup.
Oh. Using his coconut there. Kita niya may spasyo sa gitna. Put a little speed.
Ganda ng gather niya actually. In the meantime, the shot from the side is a ringless beauty.
You know what I like about the veterans in our players here? The perimeter shot, more often than not, is more accurate than the layup. Sanay sila eh.
At saka at a certain age, it's the first to go the layup.
Yes.
Toma Cruz with that shot from the outside. Yamamoto to Ramel in a behind-the-back pass. Missed everything. Aguinaldo said, oh! Almost had it, but really overcooked it. Yabut attacking, and Joey doesn't get a roll. It's batted outside by Yamamoto, but it will go to the executives.
I gotta give it to the guys in black. Transition defense was slow, pero hindi nakashoot dito itong Judiciary.
Ito yung baby panda natin eh. Si Eugene Cao. Ang lakas ko magsabi, no? Pero under assistant secretary yan sa tourism. Babalik kami!
Guys, ito lang, remind ko lang, si Villanueva umaatake. Yung tao, dalawang tao, salubungin na natin, ikoral natin, koral. Ha? Joey, ikaw na kumural. Halimbawa, tumatakbo si Villanueva, sprint ka, ikoral natin, no? Igano natin siya para ma-atake.
May 14 ang nalalabi dito sa ating unang yugto. At si ang Assistant Secretary Eugene Cao, nabibiro natin dahil very popular siya sa mga tao natin dito, sa mga kasambahay natin.
Gustong-gusto siya. No? Every time he plays, he bumps someone. May
smile eh.
ready smile.
Baby panda natin yan dito.
I like the moniker.
Diba?
Ready smile.
Oh, at saka nung nakikipag-Facebook comment siya doon sa ating mga kaibigan, smile naman siya. Ito naman, all business, si Paul Yamamoto.
Already has 5 points. So siya nga nangunguna para dito sa kampunan ng executive. Sa kabila naman, medyo maalat pa yung combo ng Marquez at Yabut.
Hindi pa umiinit yung law firm na yan. 2:50 remaining. Low scoring first quarter expected with all the tension and the skills of both sides. Here comes Montesa, back to Marquez. Inside we go. Toma Cruz in the post. Twists in the air. He was forced to change his shot. Banks it in instead.
Now, that's what I like about what Toma Cruz did. Alam niya walang pupuntahan yung shot, but he followed his own miss.
Sorongan is in the game. Sorongan has a decent shot. He may walk up the court, but he's don't give him an open shot. Toma Cruz, alanganin, wala. Foul up, Yabut, yes! And a foul against Cao underneath.
And that's the story for judiciary offensive rebounding ang kanilang ginagawa. Earlier, we saw Toma Cruz get his own miss. Ngayon naman, Yabut getting the miss of Toma Cruz.
Eto, halos binalibag na eh. Joey Yabut, just a great nose for the ball.
Di na binaba. No? Alam niyang maliit si Mr. Cao.
So, pag naglalaro ka, ramdam mo na yan eh. Hindi, you don't make that judge instinctive na. Maliit ito. Di ba, as if your mind is talking.
Nandun na eh. Oo.
Oh! Major General Bayani. Ayan, ay bayaning-bayani ang tres niya.
Now to hit a bank shot in the middle, hindi mo madali yan.
This is what NU did against Ateneo. Remember? That bank shot top of the keyhole?
We will not forget that.
Pero alam mo, yung game kahapon, yung angas ng FU, gusto ko.
Iba yung kagat ng tamaraw.
Nagulat ang NU ng dulo. Anyway, back to this league as we are down to the last minute and 51.
Napansin ko lang kay Mr. Yamamoto, kay Lieutenant Commander Seb Gigil. Past 3 possessions, he had 2 turnovers and then a miscue there. Not his usual game.
Wala pa sa tempo eh. Kasi wala si Lapid eh.
Yes, yung kanilang sparring partner.
Katwang niya. Wow! Yabut beginning to feel it. And it's a minute and 34 to go.
It's always a plus if you have a perimeter shooter, and that's what Joey Yabut gives to his team.
Sabi nga ni Ronnie Magsanong, kailangan sa offense tatlo lagi potential scorers mga ka-Flora. Ito, Joel Villanueva, respect the partner of everybody. He's one of the scorers that can work it for the executives. He found a way.
6 points already dito sa partner ni Paul Yamamoto in the absence of Mark Lapid.
Honorable Raul Bautista Villanueva, Deputy Court Administrator. May sarili silang language din, ano?
Yes.
May sarili silang posisyonan.
And if you're going to look at the list that we have,
kagalang-galang.
I have to agree with you.
Kagalang-galang ng mga tao,
Clash of the Bossings.
Clash of the Bossings. Ito si Joel Villanueva, dati ring congressman ito. Ngayon, test the director. Sabi niya, panayang biyahe daw nga nila ngayon eh. Siyempre, mahirap na trabaho gobyerno.
Oh, yes. And to see our public officials play the sport that we all love, tapos sa level na mahusay din,
Oo.
Nakakatawa.
May passion.
Nakakatawa talaga.
Major General ba yan? Tarata, saan ka pupunta, sir?
Oh, classic pass back. However, walang kakampi.
Walang tao, walang sumabay sa kanya. Tala, Yabut, nice pass. And the attempt by Toma Cruz, which was sort of bothered by Aguinaldo.
Pero tinan mo yung presence of mind in Toma Cruz. The veteran smarts there. He saw that the pass medyo alanganin, but the moment he gathered it, he showed to the referees na siya ay mag-a-attempt. Alam niyang susundot si Aguinaldo. Kaya nasa free throw line si Toma Cruz.
Bandang tira, hindi pumasok.
Ba't mahilig sila lahat sa banda sa gitna?
Sigurado. Ibang generation.
Di ba?
Ibang generation. Saka matagal hindi ka naglaro. Banda yan. Hindi lang pumasok.
You'll go to the bank shot.
Wala, ang hirap lang sa gitna. Walang angulo yan eh. Yun lang.
One of my favorite bank shooters of all time. Yung henerasyon ko na. Jericho Dinero.
Yung porsyento basketball yun.
Yes.
Walang masama doon. Aguinaldo is rejected. Gets ball to the floor but he's quick on his feet despite his size.
I like the matchup. Toma Cruz, Aguinaldo.
Saka ganda nung smile niya, no? At ito si Mr. Aguinaldo, a Deputy Executive Secretary for Legal Affairs. Kilala niya itong mga husgado rin, ano ha? Toma
yes.
Cruz. Ramel. Villanueva.
Almost traveled there. Almost traveled at
Muntik na, no?
nakaligtas siya doon. He was asking for a foul.
Ayan, nakamukhang nabigyan.
Bakit naman hindi? Yan ang katulong ni Paul Yamamoto. He has 7 points to help the 6 of Lieutenant Commander Yamamoto.
They're Boise Zamar, the coach of the executives, asking for a slippery portion to be cleaned up. Boise was sharing with me, I was in an argument the other day, UE generation. Nag-champion sila. One of the, I think the last championship of UE in the UAAP.
Yes.
Boise was there. And I asked him, kino ang coach niyo? Jimmy Mariano.
Si Coach Jimmy pala?
Si Jimmy Mariano, who also played for UE during his own time. In the meantime, Villanueva. No, Yabot plucks the rebound.
Mabigat ang coaching staff ng executive. Boise Sama.
Ramos.
Is also there.
Jenkins Messina.
Yes.
May foul. Naglulundag. May foul ba?
Wala.
Supalpal nga yata.
Tight defense. Itong si Cao on Marquez.
Hindi nakita ni Maidas ang oras. Walang sumigaw sa bench. Ang layo ng bench nila sa kabila eh. Well, anyway, tapos na ang unang quarter. 18-15 ang ating bilang. Magbabalik ang Clash of the Bossings.
Sir Ramel, pwede ka na rito, kaya si Sir Yami. Okay? Now, mas gusto ng Sir Yami nandito sa area na to. Dito ka lang.
Okay.
Pagkuha naman, bababa naman, nandito naman kayo. Guys, pag-open dito ha, you have to take the shots para mag-extend out sila, ha? Sige lang, nag-miss tayo, it's okay. Let's go, team. Sub ka lang sandali, sir. Sub ka sandali. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, team.
Substitution. 18-15 ang ating score pag simula po ng ating second quarter. Chiki, ano nga yung consequences of this game?
Well, pag nanalo, dito sa mga nanonood sa ating Clash of the Three, pag nanalo po dito ang judiciary, then they are in the finals. Makakatapat nila ang legislative, and next game, the final game of the elimination round would be a tune-up game na lang para sa judiciary and legislative dahil second meeting nila yan sa elimination round. However, if the executives win this one, then they have to wait dun sa outcome ng ating last playing date sa elimination round. If matalo po dun ang judiciary sa legislative, then there will be a shootout between team executives and team legislative.
And that's why the executives are playing with such a sense of urgency. 19 or 20-15, sorry. In the corner, Castañeda launches a running shot. Finally gets one from that side of the floor.
And take note, Mark Lapid is not playing today for executives at ang pumuno sa kanyang scoring ay si Villanueva. Matching it with the 6 points of Yamamoto rather. He scored 8 in the first.
Set shot from the other end by Yamamoto. No. Yamamoto really trying the distance here at the Gatorade Hoop Center, our new venue for today's games. Midas can't knock it in, and Yabut is fouled from behind by Yamamoto.
Yabut is not the tallest player.
Karanggalan ng sense ng bola.
Oo. Backs out, sunod sa bola, and that's a skill. Pag bitaw ng teammate niya, sinusundan na yung tira, and then he goes to the area to get that offensive rebound. First is in. Classic example of a good box out on Yamamoto. 2 for 2 for Joey Yabut.
Ito mga kasambahay natin, natatawa-tawa rito kanina.
Oh.
Nawalan, nung binigyan ko ng question, walang makasagot. Remind, tatanungin ko si Joey uli ng halftime. Naglaro yan ng organized, but hindi
Yes.
ako sure kung PSBA o PIBA lang. Marquez.
Kita mo sa galaw no?
Marquez, lead pass intended for Castañeda. It is jostled away.
Villanueva? Sorry, Sam. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Villanueva is trying to contest that. Yes, he did tap the ball, pero sinasabi na nakawakan pa rin ni Castañeda.
And I think the referee acknowledged the mistake. He was running. Palagi ko nakataligod siya.
Hindi lang nakita. Pero may point si Villanueva.
And now this is a traveling call. 20-19 is the count.
Black shirts, lamang pa rin ang isa. It's going to be close. I have a feeling.
Gagapang ito. Slow drag itong laro na ito. It's not to the best interest of the executives to go run. But Villanueva has a different plan, and this time it's a 3.
Asking for a 4-point play there.
Si Joel, enthusiastic lang maglaro yan. Nakakantsawa ko lagi kasi kilala ko yung wife niya, si Gladys, kasi naging classmate ko sa isang class sa Ateneo Graduate School.
Okay.
Di alam. Kasi kung kailan hindi na naglalaro regular, nagkaroon ng ACL yan eh.
Oh.
Pero ito yung passion niya, unquestioned. Watch this. This is Alahoy. Ito nagkagulo sa ilalim. Ayusin natin to. 23-19. Huwag lalayo.
Let them shoot from the outside. Hindi naman patitirahin na gano'n. Ibig sabihin, i-clog na natin dito. Nagdadrive lang sila eh. Wala silang ginagawa. Alam nila kasi, ilan lang tayo eh. Now, pag dito, sige, challenge natin. Sige. Talunin na tayo sa labas. Wag lang dito sa loob. Dito tayo kayo sina-challenge eh. We have to make a choice. Kasi dito lang sila. Tinitira tayo dito, tinitira tayo sa labas. Naimili na tayo. Lowest percentage. Doon na natin. Sige, palabas. Give na natin yun. Come on, let's go. Come on. Team, 1, 2, 3.
Basketball po ang ating subject matter dito sa UNTV. Sana po'y abutan kayo ng game na ito sa maayos na kalagayan. 23-19 na score natin. Hindi pa ho ito ang regular UNTV Cup. Ito po ang ating Clash of the Three. Tatlong teams, executives, legislators at judiciary. Mga bossing, pinag-uumpog-umpog ho namin dito. Before we get into our main tournament this November. In the meantime, Midas.
After going 0 of 3 from Rainbow Country prior to that attempt, finally hits one. Ang field goal ngayon ni Midas Marquez, 2 out of 9.
23-22 na dapat. At yun ang score. Joey Yabut leads this 5-on-1. Basta Joey. Joey had no shot actually, no?
Yes.
Tinamaan niya si Joel Villanueva at Joey had no shot.
He was looking for an open guy, looking for someone to drop that ball off. Pero nakita niyang wala. Ginawa na lang niya, iniumang yung bola para siguradong hampasin and went for that fishing expedition.
I'm thinking if he had dribbled left, would he have had the bet? No, but the right cheek, walang tao sa week. If he had dribbled left, wala siyang pupuntahan.
The only way he could have evaded Villanueva outright was a Euro step.
Or
a side step.
Running siya.
Kung sumide step. Pero kita mo nakatatlong lingon siya sa likod, hoping that he could drop it off. But then again, sure too, for Joey Yabut.
And the judiciary grabs the lead, 24-23. Evangelista is on the floor for the first time for the men of the judiciary.
Yabut is 5 out of 5 from the 4.5-meter line. Has 11 all in all.
Now, great pass to Yamamoto inside, who creates the crevice and fills it up.
Now that's the game of Paul Yamamoto. Earlier, sabi mo nga, Seb, he was trying to look for that 3-point shot. Couldn't hit it. Yan yung laro niya. Bring it inside the hoop. Or closer to the hoop.
Watch this.
Boom. Binali pa, no, binomba pa. Pero di na kompleto ang 3-point play.
And we're below the 7-minute mark. You're watching the clash of the three. Joey Yabut could have taken the shot. Dimson not ready for the pass. Yamamoto. Oh, he's beginning to hug.
That's a great read coming from Joel Villanueva. Slightly huminto siya sa kanyang, o nagbagal siya sa kanyang fast break to create that space between the defender and Paul Yamamoto.
Correct. 27-24 is our count. I see Montesa all set to come back in. Here's Joey Yabut, stutter step. Dribble interrupted. There's a slap on the arm. Could be Villanueva. Let's see. He's hiding his face. No, it's not Villanueva. It is Bayani.
So the executives, they want to get one win. And they're hoping na ang judiciary ay matalo sa kanilang final elimination game.
Ariel Cap was the coach of the judiciary. Lahat siya, boss. Kasi doon siya nagtatrabaho. Marquez with an air ball. Follow up.
And another rebound here for Yabut. Another follow up, and he's the one scoring. 13 points for Joey Yabut.
Here's Cal. And wow, Dimson managing to hold his ground against Yamamoto there.
Pansin ko dito, Sev, itong judiciary applying either a triangle and two or a box and one on Joel Villanueva, knowing that he's the one setting the tone for the executives. Here we go.
.5:29 to play. 27-26. Dimson looking for a friend. Joey Yabut is being asked to play so many minutes here.
And that's the reason I
Why
think,
not?
but
Diba?
kung pinasok ni si Montesa, because they need another perimeter guy.
Joey, hindi na rin spring chicken yan, pero tuloy na kansawa.
Yun yung pagod.
At
Pagod
saka
factor.
masyadong libre. Villanueva, diretso. Naghahanap ng foul si Joel.
Sabi niya, landing spot.
Joey Yabut, hinayod, foul si Bayani.
Good foul for coming from Bayani. Alam niyang hindi niya aabutan itong si Joey Yabut. Pero interesting, our coaches here applying, hindi na puro zone defense to, nagtatao-tao sila, may box and one.
Oo.
Things that we all used to do in collegiate basketball, even in the pros.
Yep.
So
Box and one.
nakakaramdam dito, yung mga manlalaro.
Box and one. The ancient technique that still works.
Oo. Tauhin mo yung gumagawa.
Sawatin mo yung gumagawa. Toma Cruz is back in.
So judiciary going with two bigs. Third probably would be Joey Yabut, pero tinan mo to. Box and one nga, o nakadikit si Montesa on Villanueva. Problem na, who will set the play?
For what? The box is broken. Naku sa ilalim. It's a 5-on-1. Sayang to pag hindi na-shoot.
Oh,
Ayun. Sayang na. Foul.
oh great pass.
Yamamoto, Montesa says, Diyos ko po, ang buhay ito.
And great presence of mind there coming from Kao. Alam niya, apat lang sila. Yamamoto on the other end. Giving up that ball.
Cow with a great feed. We're down to 4:17. Turn around. Banda, malakas. Gusto nito makos yung banda.
Favorite shot.
Reset. Yan. Montesa. Ala, umalog. Kanina pa yung bola dyan, Montesa. Ayaw talaga. And now, takbo na! Ayun si Villanueva Pero si Kao, maraming fans. May commitment sa audience. Hindi lang na-shoot.
He was looking for a foul. The play continues.
Marquez.
Good 3-on-2 break by Team Judiciary. Now they're up by 1 point.
Mga Kao Angels to, Tutuwa lang sila sa Baby Panther. Si Yamamoto, ilan ang ginagawa?
Paul Yamamoto, 14 points. A slow start. Pero nakahabol-habol na 6 of 13 from the floor.
Biglang si Tom Cruz medyo may iniinda. Wait, time out tayo. Balik tayo after this. We have a lot of other referees in this game trying to officiate the ball game. And it's all in the spirit of trying to want to get a win here today. As Chicky pointed out so correctly, the executives fighting for their lives actually. Marquez!
And they have 2 scorers leading the attack here. Villanueva with 11, Yamamoto with 14. So they have 25 of the 31 points of Team Executives.
Castañeda, Montesa. No legs. Great pass. Yabut.
And the perimeter guy doing the damage for Judiciary. He has 17.
Ganun lang, ano? Follow up lang.
Pero yung partner niya, yun yung medyo maalat. Si Midas Marquez with only 7.
Ramel. Nice line. No conversion though. Marquez tapping it to Montesa. Montesa trying to control it. Castañeda is ahead, but Montesa has a change of heart. Didn't pass off. Bayani, Yamamoto, Dimson. Oh, great use of the basket as protection. It's on the ground. Castañeda to Dimson. And here's Montesa. It's 2-on-2 basketball. Runner. Ayaw. Montesa gets it. Yabut finding the angle. Ramel on top of him. It didn't matter.
That's Joey Yabut not leaving his shot, knowing where the ball will land. Unang attempt niya, not too accurate, but he was there to pick up the offensive rebound.
Let's re-establish the score. 34-31. Judiciary now in the lead with 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Aguinaldo. Bayani too strong. Yabut leading the 2-on-1. Castañeda, bad screen actually.
Oh yes.
He should have separated more than anything else.
Pwede siyang matawagan ng offensive foul doon.
Yamamoto grinding hard. Got a foul.
Kita niya nakababa yung kamay ni Dimson. Went for that attempt. So he will go to the free throw line.
I think Midas Marquez should come to terms with the fact that the referee's decision is unappealable.
Pag napito na, no?
Kasi sila sa mundo nila pagka umabot pa, hanggat hindi pa umaabot sa Supreme Court, appealable.
Dito pag pinito na, tapos na. Medyo may problema ang Judiciary. Dimson has 3 personal fouls already.
Yamamoto unable to secure the free throw. It'll go to the Judiciary with 1 minute 16.
Kaya taupo muna si Dimson, baka makapulot pa ito ng isang foul in 1 minute 16. Tom Cruz comes back in.
Marquez directing traffic. Castañeda wide open. He's been fighting for an outside connection. Nothing yet. Here's Villanueva. Marquez waiting for him. There's a foul by Marquez.
Hand check on Midas Marquez. I like how Villanueva planned that attack. Going high speed, then slightly slowing down, picking it up again. Kung kaya wala nagawa si Midas Marquez, but to put that arm. Second look here. There you go. Actually, dalawa pa nga yun eh. May hataw pa. Villanueva with 11. Second free throw is out pa rin.
Yabut pulls up from 10.
Sure 2 yun, Sam. Sure 2. Mainit si Joey Yabut. He has 19, going 6 or 7 of 11 from the floor. He has 21.
To give the Judiciary 4-point lead.
Oh, great pass by Yamamoto. Picks up the loose ball. Wala yung follow-up.
It's on the ground. When it's on the ground, may problemas kay Yamamoto and Villanueva giving up the foul against Marquez.
Good duty foul on Joel Villanueva. That was a 4-on-2 break by the judiciary.
Pizarro is checking in. He's the Associate Justice of the Court of Appeals.
So Pizarro needs to wait for a while
Yeah, mukhang
because
si Marquez ang papalitan. Teka muna, sir. Your Honor.
kailangan ng pahinga ni Maidas. Only with 7 points rather.
Hindi pa kumakamada ng malinis mula sa tres. Ano?
Wala pa eh. 3 of 7 from 2-point range, 1 of 5 from 3-point country, and 0 for 4 from the free throw line.
Yamamoto is all alone. Six seconds remaining. Marquez lets it fly. Just short, and we're done with this quarter and the first half as well. So Chiki, medyo dikit ang laban given all the important parameters of this game.
Dikit na dikit, but Villanueva and Yamamoto sila ang nangunguna. Sa kabila naman, Yabut ang nangunguna for judiciary.
That's our score at the end of the first half of play, and the score we will springboard from when the third quarter swings around. But Chiki, you can, I think our audience now understands what you were talking about kanina, why this game is just so important.
Alam mo, mahalagang mahalaga. Unang-una for Team Judiciary because if they win this, as mentioned earlier, top of the coverage, they go to the finals. For Team Executive, if they win this, they are hoping that Team Judiciary will lose on their last game against Legislative para magkaroon sila ng kanilang knockout shootout. However, apart from those that story that we mentioned, really dito sa larong ito, gusto nila mag-payback eh. Itong Team Executive because as mentioned, Yamamoto wasn't there. First time they met, they lost by 17. And in the absence of Mark Lapid, that guy over there, Joel Villanueva, helping Yamamoto. But on the other side, people like Montesa wanting to help the poor shooting of Maidas Marquez in the great all-around game of Joey Yabut.
Bilib ako sa mga tao na nasa track, sa ating control. Nabuo nila yung highlights na yan, samantalang may pansit na highlights silang ginagawang tirahin. Bilib ako sa pangkat na yan. Naubos nila yan. Pero ito, pinagsama-sama natin yung good cuts from that first. Medyo natutulog din yung opensa nung iba so far pa, no? Ha?
That's right. Alam mo, sa Judiciary, it's only Joey Yabut. He scored 14 big points in the second quarter to add to his 7 in the first. So meron siyang kabuo na 21. But apart from that, meron siyang 9 rebounds. But the missing link, Maidas Marquez, not really finding his range dito sa larong ito. Sa kabila naman, yung magkatuwang na Villanueva and Yamamoto, they're the ones helping the cause of Team Executive.
Ayan, yan ang importante. Alam mo naman itong mga player natin, pagamat marami mga trabaho yan, ay naku, para tayo yan. Basta may laro, ano?
Oh yes.
Basta may laro. This is the game of their youth, our youth, and that's why kung ang basketball, ganun na lang natin kinalolokohan sa bayan na to, ano? Bayan ng mga hindi namang malalaking tao.
Hindi.
Ano?
Mga gwardya.
Bayan ng gwardya. O, handa na ho ang lahat. Padala natin sa gitna ng court. 36-34 ang score natin. Mag-uumpisa tayo dyan. Nakausap ko din si Joey Yabut. Tinanong ko na rin finally. Joey,
Did he play?
Joey, saan nga ba? Ano eskwelahan? Sabi ko PSBA. Hindi, sir. NCBA.
Okay.
National College of Business Administration.
Along Aurora Boulevard pa rin yan.
Yes. Mga kapitbahay natin yan sa Aurora. Ayun, si Ariel Capus, mga kaibigan. Nag-uusap sila ng strategy ng kanyang kupunan at si Boyce Samar din. Si Bong Ramos. Pakinggan natin.
Fight. 1, 2, 3, fight!
Alam mo, bago tayo mag-on-air ulit, Sev, ano, yung team ni Coach Boyce Samar, Team Judiciary, they were not relaxing. At the half, all coaches were around the playboard. They were designing something. They were pointing to some of the stats na nakita nila. Kasi kung ipagdidikit-dikit po natin yung iba't ibang fields o iba't ibang departamento, dikit eh. Kaya nga 36-34. But what I want to say is, yung mga usual suspects in scoring, they have to start putting in more points because if it's close all the way to the fourth,
Yep.
sila ang sasandalan ng kanilang mga kapunan.
Absoluto. Steph Sarmenta, Chiqui Reyes taking care of your ball game here. All important. You know, in a way, this could be described as an eliminator. Justice Pizarro is already on the floor. Couldn't get in towards the end. And Joey Yabon is not yet done.
23 big points. If he continues what he did in the first half, hindi malayong kumorenta.
Oh, Joey. Sabi ko nga sa kanya sa tournament, Joey, dito sa tournament to, tira lang ng tira. Kasi dun sa main tournament, syempre medyo gun shy siya dahil upop si Joel. Huwag niyang banggain yung binangga niya yung committee natin.
Gun shy ba siya sa regular?
Medyo hindi naman. Just trying to help coach the team kasi. Tsaka ginagawa niya, last option siya sa offensive. Kaya dito, wala. Kailangan offensive siya rito. Sabi mo nga, importante siya. Castañeda. Oh, finally, the shot. One shot finds its target.
At yan ang ginawa ng executives. In first half, they were giving that open three. Pero baka magdalawang isip ngayon ng mga nakaitim at dilaw because Castañeda hit one from left corner court.
Oh, Yamamoto trying to erase that. Gets his own miss. Almost had a chance. The ball will go the other way. And in the meantime, who's having a hard time picking himself up? This is Joey Yabot. Yep.
Oh, na tinamaan sa likod ni Lieutenant Commander Yamamoto. Still couldn't hit it from Rainbow Country.
Up, they gotta bring it across. They almost got caught with the 8-second violation. Justice Pizarro was taking his own leisurely stroll into the front court. Ball is lost. General Bayani takes it away, trying to control his dribble. Bayani gathers. Nicely done, but a little too strong on the attempt.
Counter-attack here. How will they do it?
Pizarro open. Yeah!
Oh, kita mo, si Ipan took his time. That was a good short jumper for Pizarro.
On the other end, Villanueva replies and erases that shot.
Tight as it may seem, pero maganda pa rin ang pasahan ni Yamamoto and Villanueva for that fast break.
Parang silang dalawang nagtutulungan eh. No? 7:37 ang nalalabi dito sa ating third canto. Castañeda hit one already earlier. Yabut, it won't stay down. Ball is being fought for. Picked up by Aguinaldo. Here comes Bayani. The general attacking. The general sends it to the side. Joel thought about it. Stutter step. Penetration. Ooh!
Hard fall.
Joel talaga. No? Parang nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay ang katawan niya pagka...
Good fake from the three-ball area. Went inside. Tried to squeeze himself in between Dimson and Marquez. I think Midas will be called for that foul.
I think so. In the meantime, Montesa comes in for Pizarro, who's already done his job.
So delikado. Dimson has 3 fouls just to remind you sa mga umahanga or kumakampi sa team judiciary. So sumusugal dito ng konti si Coach Ariel.
Joel still has the touch. Anak din yan ni Brother Eddie, ni Pastor Brother Eddie.
15 for Joel Villanueva. 4 here in the third.
At may kwento ko lang si Brother Eddie, naglalaro pa rin.
Hanggang ngayon?
Sa court niya sa Bulacan. In the meantime, hala si Yamamoto, matake!
Oh, parang ipo-ipo. Ginawa ni Paul Yamamoto, spinning his way to the basket in full speed.
Para siyang typhoon. Alam mo darating, wala ka naman magagawa.
Hindi tumabi.
O salubungin, patay ka. Castañeda trying to control it outside the Marquez. Shot clock down to 7. The attempt is a feeble one. Villanueva through traffic. Dipsino, yeah! Got it!
Halos 24 sa ere si Joel Villanueva evading the defense of Castañeda.
And now, look at this. It's a 43-40 affair. The executives stepping on the gas pedal.
Extra effort lang, Brad. Last 2.
Both coaches, both sides, very passionate about this game. This is all important. And as Chiki said, it's a virtual survival battle. A judiciary win kicks them into the finals. A loss stalls them. The executives live to fight for another day.
And so far, the executives want to live for another day.
Oh, gusto pa maglaro niyan eh.
Villanueva has 17-6 here in the third. Medyo tahimik siya with only 3 points in the second quarter, but he has picked up the scoring dito sa third canto.
This is a play for Marquez. However, he is covered. Has to kick it to Yabut. Quick turnaround, high looper, no. On the ground, Toma Cruz tracks it down. Montesa launches from 3, offline.
Medyo maalat si Montesa, but he still has the green light to shoot from three-point land.
Yamamoto draws the double coverage. Outside it goes to Bayani, stutter step. Nobody to pass to. Joel Villanueva is too far off from the sequence. Yamamoto, offensive foul.
A good read from Joey Yabut. Alam niya, pipihit pa kanan. Itong si Paul Yamamoto went to that space, waited for the contact, and he did a good selling job. Itong si Joey Yabut.
Sometimes that helps. In the meantime, Secretary Cao reports back in. Assistant Secretary of the Department of Tourism.
They will sacrifice height. Aguinaldo will sit down. So ang executives, di baling lumiit, ang gusto ng coaching staff mas mabilis.
Saka may sila para sa fourth quarter.
Pero kung titira mo, Sef, Joel Villanueva is playing under. So pag nakakuha sila ng rebound, the fast break might be a little slower for the executives.
Shot clock at 5. Marquez. Joey Yabut pulls up. Oh, they were bailed out.
So third foul will be called on Paul Yamamoto, trying to stop the baseline attack of Joey Yabut.
Alam gamitin ni Joey Yabut tonight. Boise Summer is on the sideline and he has a bone to pick with the officials. Don't they always have something to say, the coaches? One of the coaches.
24 points for Joey Yabut. 3 here in the third. And you're right, they're discussing.
Yan, kausap nila yung referee eh. Yun eh.
Coach Eileen, Coach Bong, Coach Boise.
Coach Eileen, toto ako dyan pag pinapanood ko ang UE women's team. Siya ang head coach nun eh.
Ano na yun, household name na eh. Pag Coach Eileen, alam mo, mabigat na coach din.
Here's Bayani. Villanueva peeks inside. Romel tries to get into the post position. Shoot away. Yamamoto will drive. Ooh, he took off on the wrong foot actually. And Yabut has been his nemesis.
Ooh. Late pass from Montesa. And it's official. Yabut has reached the double-double mark. They have 10 rebounds, 24 points.
And we are still just in the third quarter. Outside shot is short. Montesa. Yabut. Ramel on him. Yabut tries hard. No. And Cal has it. Cal.
Oh! Wanted to go fancy. And Paul Yamamoto telling him, if you can't pass it, go for the hoop. Pero kinamayan ni Joel Villanueva. Nice try.
Nice try.
As long as masaya. Ang mga nanonood.
Ano eh, Freudian explanation. Basta masaya.
Eh, natuwa naman yung ating crowd dito sa Gatorade Hoop Center.
And that's all we need. We're at the Gatorade Hoop Center in Shaw Boulevard. Seb Sarmiento, Chiki Reyes 45-42. Clash of the Three, of course, our preseason tournament, which comes just before the start of the formal tournament. Earlier, Chiki, nagkaroon ng tune-up game ang one of our new teams, ang GSIS against the MMDA.
Oh.
And the MMDA just ran over the GSIS team, but they'll get the hang of playing here. So they were able to use the court, and Marquez knocks it down.
Only the second three of Midas Marquez, 2 of 9 from Rainbow Country. Pero sabi nga nila, di bali nang malas-malas ka, what matters most is pag sa dulo, pumasok yan.
Yan ang pinaka-importante. As Bayani tries to get going, here's Villanueva. Oh, despite the failings of defenders inside, Joel finds a way.
Bumubuhat na si Joel Villanueva. He has 19 points to help the 19 of Paul Yamamoto.
Here's Toma Cruz, he has plans. Turn around. Gets back his own miss. Tries to create space. Ayaw gumapang yung bola papaloob. Wala na, iniwanan na kayo.
That was actually a bad pass by Villanueva. Pero si Yamamoto, what he did was he adjusted to the pass, waited for it to bounce, tapos kumontra pelo against 2 defenders.
Eto na, 2 minutes 24. Nice pass. Nice pass!
Parang isang veterano na Joey Abot na sa ilalim, expect mo perfecto nila yung mga dukot. That's how they played the game before, and they will continue playing that way.
And I played with Chito Narvaez, the Shell coach, and he was my classmate. He told me, pinagalitan ako minsan, pre-ABL, alumni basketball. Sinabihan niya, pag kumat ka pare, huwag mong pipigil.
Dire-diretso dapat.
Diretso dapat. And kasi galing niya magpasa sa ila.
Of course, the Narvaza family.
Oh. In the meantime, the big guys are on the floor for the executives. Aguinaldo and Ramel, together with Villanueva, Bayani, and Yam. What a front line for the executives.
So ang hula ko dito, Sev, na pansin ng coaching staff ng executives, having Joel Villanueva play down low on defense
is not working
that good.
for them. Yep.
Yes.
Toma Cruz turning. No, but Joel has a hand on there. Yamamoto asking for it on the other side. Gone.
Classic example. He got the rebound, got the bounce, and then all the way, Yamamoto has 23, Villanueva has 19.
A minute and 20 in the balance. Montesa thought about it. Joey Abbott's heading towards the basket. Nowhere to go. That play was just botched. Sorongan couldn't find the ball. And Villanueva, back-to-back hits now by the executives.
Dito kayo pumapasok, sino mas kondisyon, sino mas may legs. And Joel Villanueva, although he scored on that layup, Sumeñas na parang gusto nang magpasab.
Oo. Pero ito, kanila bola, tatakbo pa yan. Tabla sa 50, a basket will give them the lead!
Wow!
Pero hilata na, nag-cramps na minsan yan.
21 big points.
Toma Cruz misses, gets his own miss. Aguinaldo in his path. No. Rebound, battle. Ramel. 30 seconds to go. They could play for the last shot, but Yamamoto is not the last shot time. Wow, what a pass. Bayani open. Nice fake. Blocked by Toma Cruz.
Only 15 seconds remaining in the third.
Marquez 3.
Oh, that's big. That's big.
What a time for him to connect. And 3 seconds to go. Villanueva lets it fly. 3. No, had a chance though.
Third three-point shot of Marquez set for the game.
And this is a good one. Fourth quarter should be quite a sweet battle as position, survival, and destiny are at stake.
Pag-open naman, bibigay sa atin.
May punto kanina si Chicky Reyes. Sabi niya, minsan, sa umpisa ng laro, hindi tatama yung tira, hindi papasok. Ngayon, ang magkakaalaman na fourth quarter, sino may hangin, sino pa may legs, sino ang may asinta, sino pa ang may bibigay rito. Survival na nakataya rito.
And classic example, Midas Marquez attempted 10 times from Rainbow Country. Only made 3. Pero ang maganda dyan, yung dalawang huli niya, Seb, before he took that, he was already 1 out of 8. So meaning his last 2 attempts, magkasunod yun. So he has found this range, and that could be something big that the judiciary can hang on here dito sa fourth quarter.
Bit of a box and one being attempted by the executives here, and a pushing foul has just been called as Cow picks himself up with the help of Ramel.
So ibang hero naman ng third quarter, it was Villanueva who scored 12 points, and it was a quiet quarter for Yabut.
Oo nga.
Only with 6 in the third.
Medyo nag-taper off. Medyo nahirapan din siya. May pagod din eh. Now Joey's issuing instructions on the other end of the floor. We're at the Gatorade Hoop Center for this particular edition, these games. Our usual venue, not there today. We're not using that. Oh, great pass, Aguinaldo. Ooh, just didn't have a good angle. Here comes Joey pounding it hard. John leading the 4-2 rather. Dimson to Yabut. And Dimson erased Bayani.
4-2 break for a judiciary. Great pass and great finish by Yabut.
Joey will feel it all in his thighs and in his shins tonight.
He has 29 points.
Oh, very pagod, ano?
29 points, 11 boards, 3 steals.
Kung panalo, hindi wala siya mararamdaman.
Oh, yes.
Diba? Pag talo, doon mo nararamdaman lahat. But let's see. Because the executives are not yet done here. This is a close one. Executives down by just 3. Bayani almost had it. Had one earlier. Yamamoto cuts up the interior.
Halos hindi na nakatingin doon si Paul Yamamoto. Too deep was the reverse, but he still found the glass.
Time remaining below the 9-minute mark. Casual jump shot. Tama Cruz, nothing but net.
They need help from Toma Cruz. Hindi pa pwedeng Joey Yabut, Midas Marquez na ang bubuhat. And the fans of Secretary Cow still at it.
House Angels. The drive results in a foul.
Classic example of a fishing expedition. 1 against 4. Waiting for a hand to slap. His own hands was Paul Yamamoto.
That's the time we have left, 8:31. Yamamoto on the stripe. The lead is 3.
And they couldn't keep Midas Marquez on the bench, Ev.
Yeah, and he's now horsing around with Executive Assistant or Legal Affairs Aguinaldo. Mga abogado talaga pag nagharutan. Ano, ha? Lagay ko, abogado si Aguinaldo. Compañero. Toma Cruz. Nice dish. Dimson nudge from behind. Tries to use those long arms, and Yamamoto says, "Arigato gozaimasu."
Oh! Finally, they had that connection.
Play of the day.
We saw it coming.
We're going to see 100 replays of that later. In the meantime, under the basket. That will not work. Here comes Yamamoto. Yamamoto pushing hard. How is his ally? Yamamoto won't make it. Could have waited. No foul. Yamamoto was hoping for some foul there. In the meantime, it's Toma Cruz. Outside, Montesa. He travel.
Oh, sayang. 4-on-3 break. Yabut was wide open. Dimson was wide open. But Montesa, 1 step too many. Down the wire to, Seb.
Oh, natirang matibay. Ito, tingnan natin to. Ito yung kanina. Yamamoto. Hello.
Spinning it in midair.
300 beses i-replay ito sa UNTV. Oh, di ba?
Malakong Fu Panda nga yung galaw.
Baby Panda.
Mailap pa rin ang free ball for Paul Yamamoto.
It's not his usual or favorite shot. Dimson goes up with nothing. Here comes Joel. Joel looking for some wing support. Oh, wala sa tira nun. Gets it back!
Great read coming from Midas Marquez, anticipating when Joel will jump, pero Joel Villanueva following that miss shot.
1 point lead by the Bossings, the Executives.
Sige, sir. Tawag mo yung 2, ha? 2. Okay? Screen dito. Sir Aguinaldo, Sir Ramel. Pagdala ni Sek. Dito ka. Sir Bayani o kaya si CO. Okay? Screen din. Attack. Okay? Ito roll. Ito labas lang. Attempt lang tayo. Just drive. So, double high, just choose. On, ha? Kuha natin, ha? Defense muna. Defense muna.
Ako, tama sabi mo, partner. Hanggang dulo to.
Sino may legs?
Sino to?
Ako, feeling ko, Joey Yabut a little bit tired.
Oo. Kanina, full speed ahead si Joey kanina pa eh.
The scoring has stopped at 29 for Yabut.
Marquez being watched by Brigadier General Bayani. The runner come across short. Here comes the General. Over now to the Navy man, Yamamoto!
A great lead pass coming from Bayani, but great or better recovery from Yamamoto going for that reverse.
For a big guy to reverse, no?
Yes,
To reverse.
to have that control.
Yabut. Wilson. Sabi ni Ronnie minsan. Masusutin ng under. Yan daw hindi niya.
Reverse?
Reverse. Basta under. Siyempre, kwarto siya, di ba? Talagang hindi daw siya pupunta rin sa ilalim.
No wonder every time he gets the ball sa ilalim,
Itinidribble niya labas na.
tapos ihaharap niya. Hindi ba rin ang 2 feet away na frontal shot,
Or fade away shot.
pero hindi siya dudukot.
Hindi siya dudukot.
Dimson with a miss. Ngayon,
Ito na yung foul kanina.
lumalayo ng konti. Ganda ng pasa.
Ito na yung sigong Joey Yabut. Tapos lahat. Dimson with a cool free throw that makes it now 60-58. Back-backan hanggang dulo to.
They needed that free throw, but every time they go on the 4.5-meter line, they need to make 2. Just a 2-point lead here for the men in black and yellow. Air ball.
Oh, sorry. Air ball.
They need this basket. Oh!
Ang gulang ni General. Inaanan niya sa ilalim.
Normally, pag maganda yung pagka-gather ni Dimson, that could have been a crossing violation or a crossing foul on Bayani.
Pero malinis yung pagkakagawa. Wala pa yung motor. May pagod na yung judiciary ng legs, ano?
Transition defense, mabagal na. And on the other end naman, transition offense ang kinakapitan ng Executives.
Castañeda. Ooh, very close. Yamamoto. There's a foul on Yabut.
Pero mahaba pa, Seb, 5-12.
Wala yung
But they need the scoring of Midas. They need the scoring of Yabut. Yabut only has scored 2 points here in the fourth quarter.
Meron kaming inattendang party ni Boyce, sabi niya sa akin. Saan ko naman nakakita ng coaching job? Lahat, bossing. Tapos lahat, problema ko yung playing time. Mahirap na. Mahirap, di ba? Kasi pag college, pwede may bangko yung iba.
Yes.
Di ba? Di mo kailangan. Na-understood na yun.
Pero dito, may mix mo eh.
Saka bossing lahat eh. Ayan na, si Kao.
So they're bringing Kao, not really for his shooting, not for his fancy passes.
At saka pampagana.
Pampagana.
Para may energy sila.
Tsaka yung pesky defense.
Ika nga sa text, pakulo.
Ang hula ko, ang assignment niya, Midas Marquez.
Midas. Yan, lapitan na eh. Mali pa ang posisyon sa free throw.
Yun yung pure love for the game.
can't wait for the practice of the game. Diba?
Yes.
Assistant Secretary Tourism, fun job, I guess. But, you know, can't wait when the team comes together and when the games are on. That's why this tournament works. Tama Cruz with a hook. Si Ramela, malaking bagay. Para siyang Rainier Hugnatan, ano? Hataw lang na rebound. Yamamoto!
At pagkakuha ng rebound ni Ramel, Chef, again, transition offense versus poor transition defense. That's 2 points for Executives.
They need a basket here. They don't need a three. Just a decent, good look at the hoop. They could get it with Toma Cruz. Short. Wala nang Lexi Matira.
Oo. And look at Kao, staying home on Marquez.
Yes.
In fact, kung titignan mo yung defensive stance niya, ayaw ng coach yan eh. You should have an eye for the ball and an eye on the defender. Pero ang instruction sa kanya, tingnan mo lang si Maidas.
At saka huwag mong bibigyan ng chance magkaroon ng look.
So the others need to score. The others need to score.
Aguinaldo did his job. He got the rebound. Joel Villanueva being told to slow down. But he didn't see Boise Sama.
So ang ginagawa dito ng Executives, dinidigdig na nila. They're bringing their game to their opponents. Shut the door na. They have a 6-point lead.
So again, Chiki, Manalo Executives, they live to fight for another day, ano?
Provided that the judiciary
loses to the legislators.
That's right.
But the legislators officially have not lost in the tournament.
Yes, they are 3-0. And in fact, kahit na walang bearing po, no, they were able to give the first defeat.
To the media.
First loss, rather, of the team media.
Villanueva takes care of two charities, makes the ball game 66-58.
14 points already in the fourth for Team Executives habang nakakalima pa lang ang judiciary in the fourth.
That's a basket that they needed. And Kao with a major rebound. And Villanueva says, let's walk it up. Let's walk it up. We have time on our side.
So susunog ng oras ang Executives. Again, Maidas, just to remind the others, finished the third with 13, still stuck with 13.
But Villanueva, air ball. Too tempting. Sometimes it's too tempting, eh. No?
Pag open, mas may spasyo.
Saka yung shot clock. Excuse mo, shot clock. Marquez!
Oh, they need that. They need that from Maidas.
Ganda yung ginawa ni Maidas. Ano? Okay, Bayani is needed back as a point guard. Napapatrabaho si General.
Now, isa pang observation, Seb. Yabut scored 21 in the first 2 quarters. Then he scored 6 in the third. He only has 2 in the fourth. So the Maidas, Marquez, Joey Yabut connection here in the fourth. 2 points only. Mabigat yun.
Quick release.
So mukhang may pagod factor na talaga.
Yamamoto, parang walang pagod, ano?
Side step, great move.
Alam mo, minsan, nabiro mo si Paul sa inyo. Alam mo, Paul, pagkuha mo ng bola, sagasan. Huwag, sir, huwag, sir. Wala naman akong masamang ibig sabihin. Diba?
Basketball term.
Eh. Sagasa, exactly naman ginagawa ni Paul, eh. Di, sir, huwag. But that's the way he plays.
Yes.
Niya, eh.
He will barrel himself inside the shaded area.
Pero marami na rin iniinda-inda ito. Kung i-stretchin ito before the game, marami-rami na rin.
Ang mahalaga yan, yung before and after. For the kids that are watching.
Bong Ramos is already on the court. What do you want to say to the kids that are watching?
Na yung stretching na sinasabi mo dito kay Paul Yamamoto, not only before, it's important to stretch after. May kaguluhan. So they're explaining to Coach Bong Ramos. I will try to figure it out.
Alam ko na yung posisyon ng tao. Diyan lang kayo dalawang palaki. Kulang ng tao, baka pwedeng tawagan ng lane violation kasi.
Okay.
Pwedeng tawagan ng lane violation. Hindi, okay na sila. Walang may dalawang rebounder lagi.
Split for Lieutenant Commander Yamamoto.
Racket ko nung araw, alam mo, Chigi, mag-referee sa mga inter-villages.
Talaga?
Wala naman. Marami akong kaibigan at kaaway. Minsan, that's it. Anyway. Marquez.
Maybe na that.
I think they will go all the way in.
Oh, yes. Oh! He waited too long. Took his time there.
Baby did it, no? 2:34 remaining. If Marquez nails this, this is
Ah!
huge. This is huge. Hello. Hello. Hello.
4 of 12 for Midas Marquez from Rainbow Country.
67-61 na score natin.
6 na lang. Lots of time remaining.
Yan. Na-excite yung mga tao sa loob. 67-61. Villanueva gusto makabawi. Bang!
Ang ganda na pagkakabitaw. Splitting in midair.
Wala ko na nakikita ang ganun.
Oh, eh.
Last 2 minutes. Ang mga nakita ko ganun si James Yap, si PJ Smith.
Cyrus.
Ha?
Cyrus Baguio.
Cyrus Baguio. Better example. Rebound. Ayani. Yamamoto. Does he go all the way?
Oh.
That's a foul.
Now, again for the
Across,
kids.
across.
That's right. For the kids listening. Every time you attempt to tap that ball, the advantage will be given to the offensive player.
Timeout taken. Boy, these guys need it.
Apat na possession pa yan. Kaya natin yan. Stay positive lang. Man to man na tayo. Walang magpapaiwan ha. Contain lang harap.
Sa offense, subukan natin hanapin si Joey.
Oo.
Kaya, Joey, okay. Dalawang
Pag si boss may hawak ng bola, bigyan ng
Screen,
screen.
bigyan ako screen,
Screen na
ha?
agad, automatic. Ha?
screen.
Para maiwan ka agad. Atake agad sa basket. Let's go.
Ha? Now, on offense naman. On offense naman, guys, listen. On offense naman, titira tayo sa last 8 seconds. Okay? So, pwede natin, pag may fast break, okay lang. Pag wala, kunin mo yung bola. Ngayon, yung gagawin natin, ha? Yung gagawin natin. Sir Ramel, sa baba ka na. Tawag natin doon, 1 ngayon. Single screen lang. Single screen lang. Atakihin mo na, sir. Okay? Yung magsiscreen nun, si CO na. Si CO na. Kay Sek. Okay? Ha? Okay?
Saan nakita timeout? Posisyon ng mga tao sa trabaho nila.
Kanino screen? Kay Sek.
Kay Sek. Kay CEO.
But kidding aside, they're up. Pero Coach Boise, ang sinabi niya, why go to other players? Joel Villanueva is doing well. Clear out, ball screen, and let him take care of it. 29 points.
Oh, wow. Okay, swell. Diba? Marquez. Ito, Gis. Last stand.
They need to score here quickly.
Nasabi si Joey. Oh, nagawa ng paraan.
Now to wait. Pwede pa.
70-62. Villanueva. Villanueva pops. Oops. Bakit tumutok?
Oh. So, hindi na-reset yung shot clock.
Alam mo, kanina pa may problema yung shot clock na yan.
So, I have a feeling they'll put 14.
Sabi ko na nga ba, tumabi ako dyan kanina nung first game. May problema yung shot clock. Madaming masyadong pinipindot. Yung green board na nasa ibabaw, nasa ilalim ng screen yun.
Pero kita mo yung mga coaches natin, ano, Seb? Very competitive pa rin.
At saka kita nila yung buong totality of the game. Ako, nagko-call, ilang taon na nagko-call na. Meron pa rin ako nalilim. Pero yung coaches, ano, this is shot clock.
Yes, yes. So they'll adjust. 119. But the problem is, kung gusto ng judiciary papuntahin ang executive sa free throw line, they have to start fouling.
At saka yung clock, ano, para magminto eh, no?
Because I have a feeling, that they're not yet in penalty situation.
Teka, double check natin, eh.
So 70-62, 8-point lead for the Executives. So I stand corrected, Sev, because I'm reading on our digital scoreboard here. I thought I saw 0 there.
119 yan. Oh, dapat i-reset sa
Yung penalty, so they are above the limit.
ang judiciary.
Yes. So they can put the Executives on the free throw line if they want to.
If they want to.
And they should. Kasi kung hihimayin mo itong ating oras, 3 possession lang yan.
They're trying to reset the clock now. Let's take a break. Let's use a break, and we shall be right back after we set the shot clock. Okay, mukhang we sorted out life.
Yes. So 14 lalagay sa shot clock. That's the rule. Pag nagkaroon ng problema sa ating orasan.
Might as well, ano? Ito na. Handoff. Ako, pwede nilang paulin eh, no? Pero hindi, pinalapit muna. Hindi na pinaul.
They're following the play.
Marquez running shot. The tres. Tapos. And that should be it.
Yes. Well, he had an open Joey Abot underneath, but sumugal si Maidas for the 3.
Wala, si Joel Villanueva. Tinira na niya. Bahala na. Ito, pero oras hindi kakampi ng judiciary eh. Loma Cruz tries to let it crawl up. Digs it deep. Is blocked and a foul by Ramel.
39 ticks remaining. That could have been the possession earlier.
Hindi na final ng judiciary.
So interesting to, Sev, if the Executives get their first win dito sa ating Clash of the 3, yung game sa Thursday. Yun ang mabigat dyan. Again.
Violation, klaro.
So, common mistake sa mga bata ulit na nanonood. Wait for the ball to hit the rim, otherwise should be called for the too early violation. That's too early in crossing the free throw line.
To make up without permission.
So parang sport game na to, no? They're not
na.
fouling anymore.
Okay na, yung bag-acknowledge na, laki ng pick ni Aguinaldo. Wala. Batted outside, no foul. That's not going to be a foul. And 19 ba? 14 seconds remaining.
So hindi na sayang yung magandang laro ni Joel Villanueva with 29 points. But Lieutenant Commander Paul Yamamoto at 35 points.
And we're down to the final seconds. And Yamamoto aims, and that'll do it. So the Executives stay alive.
That's right. They get to live one more day, but they have to wait for that game. Judiciary versus Legislative. Kung matalo ang Judiciary, then they have that shootout for the second finals seat.
Our best player, please.
Of course, Lieutenant Commander Paul Yamamoto, 35 points, going 15 of 28 from the floor. He has 14 rebounds, 4 steals, and an assist. Yan ang stat line niya.
Ayan po si Commander Paul Yamamoto. Aten! Shot!
Tama.
Di ba? Tayong-tayo talaga. Sikaw. Kasama niya yung pansya. But Paul Yamamoto is our best player of the game. Chiki, a pleasure working this game with you.
And thank you very much, Sev. I'm enjoying this Clash of the 3.
Okay. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon in the Clash of the 3.